on, where's Moose? Give Moose kisses. What a good doggy, Moose.
You got your Moose.
Give him kisses. Give him kisses. Don't eat dog hair that you pulled off of him. Don't eat his dog hair that you pulled off of him. Just give him kisses. Where's your baby? Moose, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Get your baby. I know, Jake. I know.